look at the extended forecast. For Saturday, considerable cloudiness with a 40% chance of snow. Very cold with highs around 20. For Saturday night, mostly cloudy.
Shut the fuck up.
You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio in Bridgeport, Ohio on a frequency of 162.525 megahertz. The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, WWF 35, serves the following counties in east central Ohio: Athens, Belmont, Carroll, Columbiana, Coshocton, Guernsey, Harrison, Jefferson, Monroe, Morgan, Muskingum, Noble, Tuscarawas, and Washington. And these counties in northern West Virginia: Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, Ohio, Pleasants, Ritchie, Tyler, Wetzel, Word, and Wood. And finally, these counties in southwestern Pennsylvania of Greene and Washington. The National Weather Service now returns to the regular broadcast